Okay, so here I am in Akihabara, overlooking the Sega store. And actually, to show you, here is a whole row of vending machines. And these ones are just for soft drinks. Anyway, I thought we'll go and have a look. So this one, no idea why that's, but Boss Coffee. Anyway, I thought I'll try, and CC Lemon and Mountain Dew, but I thought I'd try this one, which looks like it's Pepsi Max, but they call it Pepsi Next, and it's only 100 yen, which is about $1.20, $1.10. Anyway, let's put some money in, and press the button. And you can't really see it, but there you go. There's Pepsi Next.